So this one here, you got a Riesling, you got a Pinot Noir, you got a Sauvignon Blanc, and then you have cornets, Portuguese cornets, and a cup of water.
Okay, sorry. Say that again because I didn't catch. This is the live stream. This is going to be pre-recorded.
Okay.
This is.
So you got a Riesling from Canada. You got a Pinot Noir from Canada, and you got a Sauvignon Blanc from California.
From California.
And a glass of water and your cornets.
Okay.
Tasting, okay.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
So let's try the Riesling first. That's nice. It's nice. A Riesling. I like Riesling now. So. To begin with, it's a light taste. Then when it reaches down here, then I feel. I don't know. I'm not an expert to how to describe the taste, but it's a bit strong. From the other Rieslings that I've tried, there's a stronger taste. Maybe it's not. Because it's not super chilled. Maybe that could be it. I don't know if I describe it as there's an oaky. When the Rieslings that I have had in them, I don't recall it tasting oaky. Like Chardonnay. I don't drink Chardonnay anymore. I used to. Because Chardonnay has a stronger aftertaste. Pinot Grigio is nice. A light taste. You love Riesling? Yeah. Definitely, like, I sip it's fine, but then when it reaches where the taste buds are, I guess, I don't know, but it tastes stronger than usual, than the Rieslings that I have had. I think, it's a German Rieslings are nice.
Pinot Noir.
Something.
Pinot Noir.
My memory is gone.
Pinot Noir.
It's nice. This one's nice for a red, because I don't usually drink reds, right? But this is nice. Per batch. For 20 liters, $75. After 5 to 7 weeks. Ready in 5 to 7 weeks. Whoa. That was for the house white. For $75. For Pinot Grigio, it's $115 for 23 liters. This is lovely. I don't come up there. I was just walking down because I parked my bike on Geary.
Oh, you have peanut nuts.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want me to take out for you? Is there anything you want me to take out for you?
Yeah, I'm done
that
with
one?
that. Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave some water here just in case
Thank
you want to top up.
This is
okay?
lovely.
You're welcome. Any questions? So far, so good.
I'm just looking at the prices and I'm like trying. So what per batch is $75?
Yes.
And then you get 27 bottles?
Yes. Yeah. So the wines you're trying right now is from our winery. So we have a special winery license that allows us to import international wines. It bottles our own brand. And we also produce our own Ontario wines. But we don't have a vineyard. It's not attached to us, but we purchase from local farmers.
Got it.
Yeah.
This is amazing. I love
So
this.
we have this location that's our winery, but we have another one in Ossington called Downtown Winery on
That one? That's you guys.
Yeah, Downtown Winery. Yeah.
Oh, I'm
yeah.
wanting to go, but for my channel, but then you guys play music and I can't.
Yeah, well, if you go like during happy hour, it's quiet, and they have like little seating outside that you can go outside and stuff.
That's you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, lovely. Okay, thanks. On Ossington Strip, they are down there. Okay, so this was the Pinot. I don't know how to say Pinot Noir. No, I don't know.
Pinot Noir.
I'll post everything up correctly after. So this one's lovely. It's not a strong taste at all. I'm not a wine expert, but I know like about color, the lighter red. I know about swishing it around, and you're supposed to see like how it slides off like down the glass, and if you see, it's called legs. Yeah, that's what I was told about it. But yeah. After. Now this is the Sauvignon Blanc, whatever, Sauvignon Blanc. Light in color. If it's really yellowy, that's when I know it's Chardonnay. This is like, it's nice. There's no, I found this Riesling here, it's a stronger aftertaste. This is nice. This is Dufferin, I know that. And Dupont area. Come check them out. They have their Instagram page. And they have an actual restaurant and winery on Ossington Strip in Toronto. Cheers!
So this one here, you got a Riesling, you got a Pinot Noir, you got a Sauvignon Blanc, and then you have cornets, Portuguese cornets, and a cup of water.
Okay, sorry. Say that again because I didn't catch. This is the live stream. This is going to be pre-recorded.
Okay.
This is.
So you got a Riesling from Canada. You got a Pinot Noir from Canada, and you got a Sauvignon Blanc from California.
From California.
And a glass of water and your cornets.
Okay.
For tasting, okay.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.